Hey guys, today once again, today I'm going to show you how to image how to restore the image with ACRONIS. So let me show you the procedure how I restore my laptop. So I have lots of laptop every day, so I need to restore the Windows or install the Windows with all the drivers and everything. So you can do it in 5 to 10 minutes with all the driver included. So first let me boot in my ACRONIS, okay, with F9. If you have HP, it's F9. So if you boot in the Windows, and first time I don't know why it do not boot, so I need to do always the second time. So I'm booting again in the F9 and choose my USB, and then ACRONIS will load and it will ask me to click 1 to go into the ACRONIS setup or ACRONIS restore process. Okay, you can even save your BIOS. As you can see in the beginning of the video, you can restore the BIOS configuration also. So the ACRONIS is loading. Okay, so here in the hard disk I have all the restore image with all the computer in different computer. So if I have this one is G6 EliteBook, so here you can see I'm choosing the G6 EliteBook which I saved before, and click next. If you want me to show how to make the ACRONIS USB and restore process, I can show you later. So here you can see I choose all my hard disk. In my hard disk I have two drives, so I already set up everything there. So here ACRONIS loading, and it will show me the hard disk. So this is the hard disk, Samsung SSD, this one. So you choose the right hard disk. This is very important. Do not choose your hard disk. Okay, choose the right SSD for your laptop, not the one you have connected in your laptop. Okay, here you can see I'm fast forwarding the process. It's loading very quickly. Even without fast forwarding, it will take 3 to 2 minutes to restore all the image. So as you can see, it already restored. So I just need to click restart. Okay, when you restart, it will take few seconds to restart in the Windows that already prepared and all the driver already loaded. Let me show you. This is my two computer. Okay, the two computer will be identical. The second one is the old one. So this is the first boot time. So first time it will take little bit longer, like 10-20 seconds longer. Okay, and it will restart once. Sometimes if your BIOS need to be updated, it will update automatically. So leave the computer open. Do not touch the computer while the BIOS updating. So let me go to the configuration and show you all the drivers. So as you can see, two computer, even with the wallpaper, it's identical. Okay, so let me go to the about PC and my driver page, the configuration page. Here you can see everything is loaded. Okay, so everything is loaded, the one I have. So if there is a new update, new software, I have to do the backup again, so the backup stay updated. Okay, so here you can see even the graphics is not display. Graphics is the original graphics driver. Okay, so thank you very much. Subscribe.